We're going to talk about data security for AIs. Let's talk about ML engineers make good data to make solid AI models that make excellent security. Starting with how they cleanse, validate, and make sure that the data has integrity. These are the stages of protecting the model. They have to do these steps in order to make sure that it doesn't allow data poisoning, which is means give it a whole bunch of bad data to make it give bad results, or bias where they feed it a whole bunch of data that is representing all the different types of data and therefore leaning in one direction or another, and then protecting the supply chain, or having drift where it just goes one way or another. If they actually clean up the data and going through a data processing for AI, it helps out quite a bit. Starts off with data cleansing. That means removing duplicates, fixing missing or inconsistent values, and filtering irrelevant records. They're removing the noise from that data structure. And then they go to data verification. So this means confirming the sources are trustworthy and not just using a bunch of brain rot and a bunch of lies and conspiracy theories that are untrue. They're validating the source authenticity, cross referencing for accuracy, and checking labels, making sure those are correct. And then you've got data lineage, tracking the origins of every transform. Where did that data come from? What changed it along the way? And what enables the poisoning detection? So if you don't know where the data is coming from, you got a bunch of lies, you didn't validate the data, that right there is an excellent way for your model to have data poisoning, where you have a bunch of lies in there and it's fed off of those lies and then therefore gives a bunch of lies and nonsense. Then you have data integrity, and that's ensuring that no tampering has occurred. That's using hashing, digital signatures, access controls so that not just everybody can remove or add or modify data, using audit log to detect supply chain attacks. And then next you have data provenance. That means knowing the full history of the who, what, when, where, and why, a chain of custody for that data. Lineage, the ownership, intent, authorization, version control, watermarking, those kinds of things. Then you've got data augmentation. You're growing the data symmetrically. You're using your generative adversarial networks. You're using synthetic samples, and it solves data scarcity for rare attacks by feeding it data back to back. Then you've got data balancing. This means fixing class imbalance before training. All this stuff together makes for a solid model. Each stage protects the model quality to prevent poisoning, bias, and drift.